Hi, I'm Rachelle Robinett, herbalist, founder of Supernatural, and your host of Plant-Based with Well+Good. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a relaxing raspberry mocktail. This mocktail is relaxing because we're using magnesium. And magnesium is a very important mineral. It's crucial to so many different functions in the body, from brain health to heart health to relaxation. Magnesium comes in many different forms: glycinate, citrate, taurate. The list is very long, and those forms vary in terms of their bioavailability, which means how well we absorb them, and also their effects. They vary slightly in terms of what they do. Some forms of magnesium are meant to be used internally, and others you see used topically or externally, like Epsom salt, which is actually a form of magnesium. And of course, we use that in baths to relax. So if you're wondering, is magnesium also an element? Is that the same magnesium that we're taking as a supplement? The answer is yes, kind of. So it is definitely an element, and that form of magnesium is bound with different sorts of things to become sort of safe and absorbable and functional for human consumption. Today we're using magnesium glycinate, and that's one of my favorite forms specifically for relaxation, for great absorption and great function in easy to use doses and formats like powder. About half of Americans are deficient in magnesium, and this can be caused by low intake from dietary sources, degraded soil quality, or food processing. Food processing actually causes about 80% of the magnesium that's naturally occurring in those foods to be removed. And so you see supplementing becoming more and more important. And you can also find magnesium in common foods like beans, greens, and cacao. All right, so let's make our relaxing raspberry mocktail. First, we are going to use a rose tea, and this can be rose petals straight, it can be a blend. And I'm using rose petals because these are a beautiful ingredient for relaxation. They support the health of the nervous system and are commonly used for emotional needs, for mood, and again, just this sort of peaceful, uplifted relaxation. Now we're adding our magnesium, and you can use 1 serving of whatever form you have, whatever form you like. Beautiful. It turns out like a gorgeous pink. And now we're adding raspberry puree, and this is actually just frozen raspberries that I bought at the grocery store and allowed to melt. And then you get this great raspberry juice and this soft raspberry puree. It's delicious and easy. This is also a great way to make a sweet mocktail without adding any extra sugar. All right, I'm gonna do a little squeeze of lemon for some tart. So simple. Citrus is also great for mood, so there are layers of benefits in this mocktail. So we're going to add some ice to our serving glass, and then add some of our puree. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. And then we just top with a little bit of sparkling water. This just looks like a holiday in a glass. I'm going to garnish with a couple of raspberries and some rose petals because why not? Let's add a few more layers to this. I'm gonna sprinkle our rose petals. All right, and we are ready to relax. I can smell it from here. I mean, it smells like raspberry. The rose is going to be subtle, just a flavor from the tea and the petals. That's really beautiful. The base of the tea, it kind of mellows it out, and then magnesium has this natural tang. You get a little bit more brightness and like citrus from the lemon and the raspberries, this tart, and it's naturally sweet from the juice, floral. It's really, really beautiful. This mocktail is a great option if you're looking for an alternative to alcohol during the holidays. Cheers. Thanks so much for watching. Definitely let us know if you're going to make this for any of your holiday parties. We'd love to see it. Subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel to never miss an episode. For more herbalism, follow me on Instagram, and cheers.